Hello everyone, this is John from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Rancilio Silvia. This is, I believe it's the V3, it might be the V2 Silvia from Rancilio. And this machine is brought in to us because originally, on heat up, there's a lot of water at the bottom. That's just water from me using the machine. There was a lot of water going into the drip tray. Typically that can be one of two things, but in the same part. There's a solenoid valve right behind this wall. If you took these two screws off and slid the wall down, you would see a nice chunky solenoid valve. What that is for is machines like this need a way to release all the pressure into the group head, and it shoots it back down. So that solenoid valve acts like a release valve of some sort. So all your pressure's here. After you're done, the pressure shoots back and goes down into the drip tray. Now the issue with that is that shoot back takes coffee, puts it into the solenoid valve also. So after a while, if you do not clean your machine, which I'll talk about the cleaning part in a second, that solenoid valve, again, it closes and opens. And sometimes if you have a lot of coffee in there, it just stays open. And so when I recommended a tune-up, because replacing the solenoid valve was quite pricey, we didn't even know if it was solenoid issue that was a problem. And so I was like, oh, I'll take a gamble on cleaning it. And so when I opened the group head, oh yes, there was a lot of coffee there. Definitely needs a back flush this thing. After back flushing the machine, thoroughly, I actually spent quite a lot of time back flushing it. It cleaned up that valve really well, and so there's not much water leaking at the bottom when on heat up and or on just keeping it idle. So make sure you're back flushing this machine because, again, all those coffees get stuck in that solenoid valve that's behind here and it leaves it open, permanently open. So water, when it's warming up, goes straight right to the tray. And so after that, descaled the boiler, which is just one boiler, but we descaled all the pipes. And so we used the steam, we used the hot water, and then we did brew. Now the reason I'm at steaming temperature right now to start off with is because it's a single boiler, and usually it's easier to do steam first because you have to wait quite a long time. So yeah, we're gonna test the steaming function. I did deep clean the steam water with Rinza, just to get some of that milk out, but as you can see, working really well. And again, it's a one spout steam wall, so you're running a constant steam, which is really good. It just takes a little time to actually steam milk with a one spout. Turn that off. We're gonna cool off the boiler by running water. We're gonna run all that steam out so that we can start brewing. Water in the steam boiler. Take it off. Just wanted to cool it off. As you can see, we're cooled off enough to turn on the red light. Now we're going to put our portafilter in the group head. We have a bed of coffee in here. It's not the finest coffee, so don't worry if it runs a little too fast, a little too slow. We didn't calibrate a grinder to this specific machine. We did put a brand new gasket in there, so there's a brand new gasket, brand new shower screen, and a brand new bolt. Or actually, I think it's the original bolt. Yes, the original bolt. It's easier to take the original bolt off than the ones we have here for replacement, but yeah, so brand new gasket, brand new shower screen. I did clean the distribution disc that's in there. It's like a brass disc or some sort of, metal, and cleaned that up. Cleaned up the whole group head, cleaned up all the ridges that are around that was full of coffee. But now we're gonna brew. Actually, looks like a really good shot. Good resistance in there. Should be getting a steady stream soon since all the water's running through that shot. There you are. And again, it's kind of cold because we cooled off the boiler a lot. So if you let it on for a little while longer, it will get hotter. But we're just making sure water comes out the group head. And then I'm gonna run water without the portafilter just to show you the even stream. Yeah, so that's the shot. Again, old coffee plus coarse. So we're gonna move that. Move this to the side, and we're just going to run water. As you can see, a lot of water is coming out through that repair. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.